Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This reading is for South Africa. Now, we all know that there are riots in South Africa after the arrest of their president Jacob Zuma, and mostly these riots are taking place in KwaZulu Natal province, which is the uh, influential area of President Jacob Zuma. And lots of looting and rioting and killing of people is happening there. Indian media is not covering that much, but yes, the situation there is extremely bad. So, this reading is for South Africa. What lies ahead for South Africa? Now, present situation, yes, not very good. People are uh, confused, don't know how they will be saved. Now, is this violence related to economy and politically instigated? Yes, it is politically instigated, and somewhere this violence is related to economic disparity. These two cards. Now, in immediate future, will the real culprits be caught? Answer is no. Now, what impact these riots will have in the near future and distant future of South Africa? Looking at these three cards, looks like now this card indicates a kind of a totally new start after a terrible end of something. After a terrible end, a kind of new start, new beginning. Also, this is the present situation, so everything is under restriction and it will remain under restriction for some time, probably this month, July month. There is enmity has erupted, it has came out in form of emotions. The enmity which was there inside people, it has come out in open. Now, next 6 months, first priority, moving towards safety, calming the situation. That's what will happen in South Africa. Moving towards safety, putting the situation to rest and calming, need to calm the rioters first. What impact these riots will have on economy? Terrible impact. Looking at these two cards, terrible impact. And I can see a rise of a lady politician. Rise of a lady politician in South Africa, which will bring back South Africa on track. These two cards. A lady politician will rise in say next few years and things will be back on track. But yes, a lot of damage has been done to South African economy, and there is a sense of fear and enmity, and that is going to remain. Now people will be more kind of biased. So there is going to be a huge change in South African society also. Their thinking, way of thinking also. All in all, till this lady politician rises to the occasion, things will be slowly, things will come in control in South Africa, say in next 6 months, because the damage done is not just looting or rioting, but it has really got into the minds of the people, and looks like there are two different sides. So all in all, it will take say next 6 months to 1 year time for South Africa to again come back to normal, and I can see rise of a lady politician which will bring back South Africa on track. Thank you.